Put your car in park right now. Put the car in park. Stop. Hey, stop right now. Stop your car.
It's fine. Pull dog out.
Hey, pull the dog out.
Police received a welfare check call at a local gas station. Callers reported a woman who appeared to be slumped over in the driver's seat of her car. Officers had no idea what they were about to encounter. When an officer arrived on scene, he found 33-year-old Haley Victoria Sullivan seated in her car at a gas pump. Between her legs was a makeshift bowl made from a soda can containing black tar-like substance consistent with heroin. She was actively drawing the substance into a syringe.
Go down the window. HA58, will you send me another info for? Hey, we need to talk. Set that stuff down, okay? I need your driver's license. I need you to open the door for me, okay? Hey, open the door.
The officer approached her car and told her they needed to talk and to put away the drug paraphernalia. Sullivan glanced at him, rolled up her window, and shifted into drive. What happened next is absolutely alarming.
Put the car in park right now. Don't do that.
While the officer tried desperately to break her window with his flashlight, Sullivan injected herself not once, but 4 separate times with different syringes. She completely ignored the officer's commands, continuing to use the drug right in front of law enforcement.
Put the car in park right now. Open your door. Will you block her in and bring something to break the window?
Another officer arrived and positioned his patrol car in front of hers to prevent her from fleeing. Officers gave loud commands for her to stop and exit the vehicle. Instead, Sullivan shifted into reverse and rammed the first patrol car, then accelerated away from the scene.
Sorry, that was for 49. Turn off the car right now. Turn off the car. You're not going anywhere. Don't reverse. Hey, stop. Hey, stop right now! Stop your car! You.
She just ran 58 car. She's taking off.
Copy, around 58 vehicle, taking off 1530.
What followed was a dangerous and reckless pursuit through interconnected parking lots. As Sullivan reached the end of the parking lot, she turned her vehicle around and drove directly toward an officer's patrol vehicle. Just before impact, she swerved right, striking the front of another officer's patrol car instead.
Show us your hands!
Hands! Show your hands!
Kill sirens, guys, kill sirens. We're in the Via 313. One at gunpoint, she's still in the car.
At Via 13 Pizzeria. Show us your hands! Hands!
Hey guys, let's call her back to Duffield's car. Driver, step out of the car right now!
Sullivan also struck a parked civilian vehicle and crashed into a concrete planter near another business. Officers surrounded her disabled vehicle, but her defiance wasn't over yet. Even after her car was disabled and officers commanded her to surrender, Sullivan refused to exit the vehicle. She began reaching into her glove box, raising additional concerns for officer safety. Officers were forced to break out her window and deploy a K-9 to extract her from the vehicle.
And we have to release K9. If you don't come out of the car, you're gonna get bit. Come out with your hands up or you're gonna get bit by the dog.
you good? Is it?
She just injected a needle into her arm.
Female injected a needle into her arm, 1532.
She did that several times while she was with me.
Not sure if we advise dog out. Dog out.
Copy, dog out.
I got a window breaker.
He's reaching under the airbag, throwing items in the back seat, and still in the glove box.
Target team moving up. I'm going low.
Copy, reaching under airbag, throwing items in the back.
Dog in, dog in.
Keep your hands up! Hands up!
It's fine. Pull dog out.
Hey, pull the dog out. I can see her hand. She just has a phone in her hand right here. She's got a phone in this hand.
Can't open.
Hey, hit the unlock. Okay, I'll unlock it.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!
There's a lot of open syringes on the floor. Yeah.
When officers finally removed Sullivan from her car, they discovered additional drugs in her possession: a small plastic cylinder containing methamphetamine, and a pill capsule containing heroin, along with needles and syringes. She refused to provide her name, but stated she was traveling from Texas to Idaho.
Why are you asking me so bad?
Maybe because you ran into one of our
No, that was before. I'm saying, what was I doing?
before you ran into one of our cars.
When I was just sitting at the gas station.
Well, I'll read you your Miranda rights and we can have a chat, okay?
For what?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights that I read to you? It's a yes or no question. You can say no. Yes, no, maybe so. All right, cool.
I don't know if it's time for me to talk to you at all. I see someone's down and stuff, but this is one of my employees' cars, so if you guys need...
Are they aware?
I honestly saw what was going on, and I grabbed my key and locked the front doors and stuff.
Smart.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's him right over there. He has really bad luck with his cars, with people hitting them, so... yeah, I think in my rush... in my rush to lock the doors, I think I probably got myself with the screwdriver a little bit. Yeah, that's fine.
You locked the front door with a screwdriver?
Yeah, you can use an Allen key, but we were in a hurry. One of my prep girls said that she saw a second individual get out of the car earlier, maybe.
Oh, okay.
She said she thought she saw someone get out of the car and take off that way.
At what point?
Before this.
Yeah, have her come out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
And have the owner of the car come out.
Yeah.
Dude, we don't have any cars left.
I will take the weekend off. You can borrow mine.
You saw someone. At what point did that person get out of the car?
So I'm pretty sure it was when the cop car pulled up over there. I saw someone get out of the car in a brown hoodie with a gun and then run for it that way. And then I was just,
Brown hoodie,
yeah.
male, female.
I don't think I saw
And that way?
Could you just do name, phone number, and date of birth, and then just description of those things? So I'm gonna go check with the gas station now for footage.
I didn't see anyone back, unless I'm blind.
Well, that's a problem you're telling me.
That'd be news to me.
Okay, well, we'll just check.
I walked up and she was literally just she was burning on a little can. I was about to inject. She looked up at me and then she instantly put the car in drive. It took her a second to figure it out and then she just backed into my car. Hey, what's your name? You have to tell me your name.
I plead the fifth.
What?
I plead the fifth.
You can't plead the fifth to telling me your name. If you don't identify yourself, I'm gonna add another charge. Or we can just do this.
What was the crime?
You were using drugs right in front of me.
No, I
All right.
Hey, manager that would have video footage. Perfect. We have a report that a male exited the vehicle as a cop arrived. We'll just double check so I can rule it out. Okay, officer shows up. That's okay.
You want me to slow it down just a bit?
Just there. Go back.
Oh, sorry. It only records when something moves right here, so it tends to lag, but...
So that person just probably, okay, they're probably associated with their vehicle here
Yeah,
then.
and I was watching. I was in this window, and I never saw any other people around because I pretty much told everyone to go inside at that point.
No known person that left the vehicle.
Yeah, that was a good. I thought that was gonna be me, but she swerved at the last second and went to him. I was about ready to just come and end it, and then I was like, "Crap! I don't have my seatbelt on," so I slowed down, and she took that chance to swerve away from me and go straight into him. Wow. Sorry, LT.
Why are you sorry, dude?
It's my call.
Haley Victoria Sullivan was booked into Utah County Jail and faced serious charges, including felony aggravated assault, failing to respond to officer signals to stop, possession of controlled substances, reckless driving, and drug paraphernalia charges, among others. This case demonstrates the dangerous combination of drug use and criminal behavior, and the real risks that law enforcement officers face when responding to calls. It's a reminder of why compliance with police commands is critical, and how substance abuse can lead to serious criminal consequences. Stay safe out there.